BRAXCO Roofing and Contracting LLC is a family-owned roof repair business in Rome, Georgia that prides itself in providing residential and commercial customers with the highest quality workmanship and the best products in the roofing industry. We provide a full-service roof repair that specializes in residential and commercial roofing. We are dedicated to providing quality roofing services at a fair price. Contact us today for a free estimate on your next roofing project. Are you looking for a roof repair near me? You can stop looking. You found BRAXCO Roofing and Contracting LLC. Is it worth patching a roof? The most economical solution to the issues you are experiencing will be to repair your roof. These fixes can help an older roof last longer and get you by until it's time to remove the old one and install a new one. How do you repair a damaged roof? A primer and an adhesive patch are frequently used by roofers to patch up small holes and leaks. To fix microscopic cracks or holes, the roofer might also use a glue that has been particularly formulated for the purpose. Larger repairs frequently necessitate completely replacing a portion of rubber roofing and resealing the joints. What is your service area for the Rome office? Our local roof repair have helped clients in the surrounding areas of Rome, Cedartown, Cave Springs, Lindale, Armuchee, Adairsville, Ball Ground, Waleska, Jasper, Ellijay, Milton, Suwannee, Cumming, Buford, Alpharetta, Johns Creek, Duluth, Sugar Hill, Peachtree Corners, Norcross, Doraville, Flowery Branch, and Lilburn, Atlanta from east to west. Where is your Rome roof repair located? We are located at 506 Riverside Parkway Northeast Suite 104 Rome, Georgia 30161. Our phone number is 706-252-9343. Visit our website www.braxcoroofing.com/roof-repair-rome-ga.